Hello, so today I'm making cold process acne soap. I haven't made this in a long time because I usually make my acne soap hot process because people are buying it so quickly, but I'm trying to work ahead here a little bit. So let's get started and make some cold process acne soap. This recipe is in my How to Make Soap for Beginners e-course. I have my oils measured out. I have my lye and my water measured out and cooled. My lye is a little on the warm side. It's 125. I like to get down a little bit lower, but I've got to leave, so we're just going to go for it. Okay, rinse out my lye bucket. Then I am going to stir this because I think I have a little bit of palm oil. Didn't get dissolved. Yep, didn't get dissolved on the bottom. Okay, there we go. There we go, looking good. Now, gonna get my activated charcoal in there. Now, one of the big questions that we get asked is, does this turn your wash rag black? No, it washes off. I'm making a double batch for what I normally make. Now, since this is so full, I'm trying to get it just kind of pushed in so it's not poofing everywhere on me, which could make a big mess. Cameo! I really am going to have to graduate to bigger containers, but I'm holding off as long as I can. Nice and lovely. Okay, scrape off my stick blender. There we go. Okay, and right there. Just make sure we got everything all worked in. Looks really good. All right, now my brand new mold that I love. I'll put the link where you can buy this one with the hinges. It is so nice. I'm loving it, loving it, loving it. My friend Daryl at Two Family Homestead made this for me, and he is selling them. So if you want one, you can grab it. I don't get anything from this except the mold, which is a wonderful mold. Okay, pouring it in. Okay, now shake it out, get my liner. Okay, now pour some in this one. Now these two molds, even though they're different molds, are the same size. Just a little bit different construction for each one of them. Okay, let's do some tapping. Okay. Tapping. Get the last of my, lost my spatula. Okay. The last of my batter in, or whatever you call it. I don't know, what do you call that? I guess mixture? What do I call it? I don't remember. Okay, wow. These are really, 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 really full. So I have this last little bit left. What I'm going to do is I'm going to shake these down. Oops. Okay. Then for the rest of it, I have these little, I don't know, what do you call them? Silicone molds. And I'm going to put it in here. Like I said, this is in my How to Make Soap for Beginners e-course. And get on here. Okay, got it scraped down, so let's get these little guys poured. These will make great samples. Okay, get the last little bit out of here. There we go. Okay. That scraped pretty well. Okay, there we go. And, well, a little bit more we can scrape. Scrape, scrape, scrape as much as you can. All right, guys, I will be back to cut this in just a moment. One thing I forgot to do was I waited about 5 minutes and then spray with rubbing alcohol just to keep the soda ash from hopefully forming.
Because soda ash, it creates this really weird white layer and it looks gross. Well, I mean with the black.
It looks strange, but it's not harmful. But if you spray, then it really helps prevent that. So, be right back for the cutting. Alright, so now my lovely mold from Daryl. I made some acne soap because Daryl's my man. He loves doing woodworking, and I was like, dude, I need some soap molds.
Can you see that soap okay on the camera, Dave?
Look at this. It just slides out like butter. Woo!
Better than butter.
Okay.
Better than better.
Cammy wants to know if gun smoke smells like gunpowder.
Yes.
Gun soap, I mean.
No, that one is black tie. Is that one.
Tammy was asking why guns.
For Father's Day. Just for
they're
hunters.
super popular.
Yeah. For hunters and
Law
policemen
enforcement and
Army, Navy, Marines, whoever.
Ooh, Dave, Jean says, be sure to build a portfolio of your photos to show potential clients. Have fun with the new camera.
Yep.
Well, I told them they were charging $30 at the soap conference to take pictures of people's soap. And I was like, man, Dave could do that and he would charge them half that.
Yeah, I charge you guys not very much. It'd be like $102 a pic. Wait, what?
Hey, Laura Lee.
Can you push down?
I did send you a link to that.
Push the white.
Push the white down.
Yeah.
I did send you a link for that just now, but I didn't say anything except posting the link in, so sorry.
Okay, so here's my acne soap. Let me grab a knife.
What is that called on your Etsy store? Because Laura Lee was
What's
saying,
what called?
Well, she says that she needs soap with her skin conditions, and she was going to go look at the store.
This is the acne one here.
Is that what it's called on the store?
And I have a different acne one, but it's really good too if you have acne. Okay, so here we go. Woo, I love my new multi-power cutter. It makes me happy.
Wendy, what days do you come on and what time so I can look for it so I can watch you guys? I think you're awesome from Youngstown, Ohio. Wendy, we come on Monday, Wednesday, and
Woo!
Friday at 4:30 p.m. Mountain Time.
So
And
here's
thank you.
some more acne. I still have some in the store that's different, so this isn't going to be ready for a couple of weeks, but I still have some in the store. So don't.
Oh, Jolene was asking if after you're done if you can show the unicorn cupcake again.
Yes, I can. Okay, now. And then here we go. Woohoo! Oh, I'm loving this. Didn't that turn out good, guys? There's my acne bar. Yay!
Hey Dave, can you see that okay?
Yeah.
Woo!
Okay.
Loving it, loving it, loving it. I think after this batch, I'm going to start making my acne with tea tree also. These are unscented, but there you go. Okay, let me find, where did I put the unicorns? Where did they go? Oh, here they are. Okay, so here is one little unicorn,
Yep.
and here is two little unicorn, right there.
Nice.